Well, today I'm installing these floating shelves in this kitchen. As you can see, I already have installed two over here. And all I have left now is to do the last one. And what I have done is I did some blocking behind so I could put this bracket. This bracket is screwed down into the wood. I have 2 points over here, as you can see. And now I have my shelf, which is out of walnut. This is a 2x10, and I drilled the hole over here on this side, and now I'm going to be putting this set screw to hold it tight, so when you slide it, it doesn't come loose.